Yeah, go on.
Yeah, yes, and yeah, that's it. That's how Maze is working. I hope it helps you like to know more about Maze and Figma as well. Doctor, we also like I was hesitant to show you, but we tried to make a puzzle also. So can I
Go on,
show you? But
show.
okay. So here's the
Show me, don't
puzzle.
tell me. Show me, don't tell me. What is this background? Oh my god! Oh my god! That's cheating. Who's this guy?
I don't know. I have no idea.
Sounds familiar. Blondie.
Because the doctor, I saw the picture. It is so cute. I couldn't not to make a
Thank you,
puzzle
thank
or
you. I
something
was
like.
very cute when I was young. Now I still am cute and cool.
Yeah, yeah.
But
It is like you can make a
my
puzzle on Figma also.
I was very blonde, so people thought that my parents were not my parents.
Oh my God.
Yeah. They thought they have kidnapped this guy from a rich family or something. Yeah,
I have
my
no idea.
goodness. Yeah, unbelievable.
So yeah, you
Thank
see,
you.
doctor, you can also make a puzzle and like,
Okay.
and it is easy also.
Dr. Asma was talking about puzzle. It reminded me of we were trying to actually our idea was that we would make like AR apps, so like augmented reality. You're trying to create like an app, for example, for IT campus. It would be like a map, like a 360 view of the whole building. But it was so difficult, so we ended up dumping that idea and we created the
Okay.
Fruit app instead.
Don't overdo it. This was supposed to be a small presentation. You have worked a lot. That's amazing. I